Hi, it's Ariana. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use alignment guides to create a better looking page layout. To following along, you'll need a WebStarts account. If you already have one, go ahead and log in. If you don't have one, go to WebStarts.com and click the Sign Up It's Free button and get one for yourself. Once you're logged in, you're going to hover over the thumbnail of your website and click the Edit Site button. That opens up the page editor. The page editor is where you create the pages of your website. The home page opens by default, but you can select any page on your website you'd like to edit from the drop-down menu. Your page layout consists of elements. Let's start by dragging some elements onto our page, and then I'll show you how the alignment guides work. I'm going to start with a box. I go down here to the box tool and drag the box shape onto my page. I'm going to quickly resize that using the attached handles. Now I'm going to drag some text into that box. I'm going to drag one more element. This time, it's going to be an icon. I'm now going to click the icon to select it so I can change it to a different one. I want to make sure the text is centered within the box, and to do that, I'm going to use the alignment guides. I click to select the text and drag it. As I'm dragging, you'll see the guides suggesting how this text elements relates to the other elements on my page. It even displays the number of pixels between elements. I'm now going to duplicate the element groups and align them with each other. Once again, using the guides, I can align each of the elements groups so they're equal distance apart and the middle one is centered. There you have it. By using the alignment guides, you'll be able to quickly and easily create unique designs with a professional layout in WebStarts. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and visit WebStarts.com to create a free website.